Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by getting the essentials in place so captions work reliably. Install the app, then grant microphone and accessibility permissions so audio can be captured. This is critical for accuracy. Once permissions are given, open the app and pick your spoken language and the mic source, built-in, Bluetooth, or wired. Tap Start Captions to begin real-time transcription. Doing this now avoids permission interruptions later, and it ensures the app can access audio streams for live processing. Now refine how captions appear and perform so you get usable text. Change accuracy mode and enable a noise filter if you're in a busy place. This helps reduce false words. If you need better input, pair an external microphone or Bluetooth headset to lower background noise and improve recognition. Adjust latency versus accuracy. Lower latency for near-instant captions, higher accuracy if timing allows. Make sure display size and contrast are readable on screen. These tweaks improve comprehension and user comfort. Finish by saving your profile, and if you want captions automatically, enable auto start so the app launches with calls or media. Use the edit tools to correct critical words and export transcripts for records or sharing. If captions are inaccurate or not appearing, first restart the app and your device, then recheck microphone and accessibility permissions, and test with a known audio source. If Bluetooth devices drop audio, repair them and select the correct input. This single troubleshooting flow resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.